Welcome to Mount Kamdaboo. This morning we are going to be putting new collars on Harry, one of our bull elephants, and Layla, our matriarch. We are also going to be giving Layla her annual contraception.
It's so important to be able to collaborate with like-minded organisations on such an important program to manage the elephant population humanely and holistically for the long term.
This is all feeding into our greater welfare project and understanding bull movements on small fence reserves.
So the elephant immunocontraception program is vitally important for the management of South Africa's elephant populations. It's long-acting, it's reversible, it's easy and it's cost-effective.
Proactive elephant management, I think that's what it's all about. We're too busy doing reactive stuff, and we've got all the research and the science behind it to make proactive decisions. And
with thanks to all the parties involved today, together we'll be able to continue monitoring, researching and managing the elephant population on Mount Kamdaboo for a sustainable and brighter future.